In the past few months, the tech industry has faced a wave of significant layoffs, with companies like Google, Meta, Amazon, and India's Tata Consultancy Services cutting thousands of jobs. A key factor is the rapid adoption of artificial intelligence and automation, making some roles redundant as firms restructure operations for greater efficiency. Economic uncertainty, inflation, and supply chain challenges have also prompted aggressive cost-cutting. Additionally, overhiring during the pandemic has led companies to recalibrate their workforce to match current demand. During the pandemic, tech firms boomed, driven by digital demand and remote work. Companies hired aggressively, but as the world returned to normal and market growth slowed, many found themselves overstaffed and over-budgeted. Add to that inflation, rising interest rates, and AI-driven automation. And the result? Cost-cutting through layoffs. While companies restructure, workers face uncertainty. Job security in the IT industry is no longer guaranteed, even for the skilled and experienced. For employees, it means upskilling and adaptability. For companies, smarter workforce planning. For all of us, a reminder that tech may be fast, but stability takes strategy.